Guys, magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is your guest, Mama Sigrid Channel. Faith in Uzo Matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Aquarius. Aquarius, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius signs ang ating makakagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang din at makaka-resonate. Kung lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo, comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo na ang hindi skip ng ads away, pagpalaing kayo ng Diyos at may kapalsiksik digdig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the message sa ng ating spirit for the sign of Aquarius? So let's see and watch this. For Archangel Michael messages, a favorable outcome. Napapabor na raw sa iyo ang sitwasyon. No? Ano man yung mga bagay ay maaaring makuha mo na yung tamang pagkakataon. And this is something guys with a God is in charge. No? Nandito raw ang ating Panginoon, ginagabayan ka, sinusuportahan ka sa lahat ng eksena na ginagawa mo. Na ibig sabihin, laging nakabantay, nakatingin sa iyo ang ating Panginoon. And there's a let go of fear now. Alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. No? Alisin mo yung pag-aalinlangan mo. No? Ang pagdadalawang isip mo sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. And of course, a new beginning and fresh start is coming your way. No? Magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula at panibagong pag-asa. Kumapit ka. Dahil babaguhin na nito ang mundong ginagalawan mo. And be gentle with yourself, no? Huwag lang masyadong i-pressure yung sarili mo. Just enjoy the moment, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. Paano natin siya ihimay-himayan? At paano ko siya i-elaborate sa inyo? So, let's see and watch this. So, let's see. So, there's a devil card. Oh my God. No, it meant it's something related and connected with your self, no? With your eksena, na maaaring napapalibutan ka ng negativities or black magic involved. And there's the moon card. My goodness, no? The truth reveal, no? Ilalantad na ka lahat ng katotohanan. So it means kaya ka na nanaginip, kaya pumapasok sa isipan mo lahat ng bagay na to ay parte to ng may taong gumagawa at nananalbahi sa iyo. Now in this of the page of Pentacles, for invest wisely. No? Ibig sabihin dito, mag-invest ka ng wais and of course ng listo at ano man yung mga bagay na gagawin mo ay dapat magre-reflect sa eksena mo. Ibig sabihin, lalago ba to? Lalakas ba to? No? Okay, let's see. And of course, this is something guys with the Nine of Pentacles, magkakaroon ka ng security. No? Mag-ingat ka na sa mga pagkain kinakain mo. Sa lahat ng mga bagay o offer na ibinibigay sa iyo, just being aware. And there's a Five of Cups in reverse, something guys with acceptance. Na unti-unti mo na rin matatanggap, no, yung posibilidad na mangyayari, no? Additional messages and reference with the Hermit card. No, kailangan mo na makalaya dyan, no, sa comfort zone mo, no, sa mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo at pinangangambahan mo. Additional messages with an angel spirit. Represent guys with an Empress card. Now there's something retreat. No? Kung sinatabi dito, maaaring kailangan mo mag-disconnect from the world. No? Kailangan mo nga pakawalan, no? Ano man yung mga bagay na nagiging balakid sa eksena mo. Na magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula. A new beginning is here. And the Queen of Swords, clear the boundaries. Linisin mo yung mga bagay na ano mo makakasira ng eksena mo, sitwasyon mo, kalagayan mo. And this something guys with a Six of Wands, for victory is yours. At magtatagumpay ka talaga. No, makukuha mo yung mga bagay na what you deserve. No, basta matuto ka, no, sa lahat ng gagawin mo. And there's something the Nine of Wands. Konting tiyaga lang. No, napakalapit mo na para magtagumpay dyan. Na malalas at mararamdaman mo na yung something changes sa development. And there's the word card. Some of you guys, no, may travel dito. There's something success, accomplishment. And this is something the Four of Cups, just reevaluate or analyze. Na may mga bagay na kailangan pag-isipan, klaruhin, liwanagin, naunawain, no? Kailangan mo nga kumbaga, pag-isipang mabuti, no? At kailangan mo makawala at makalaya dyan sa kinakatakutan mo. Ito yung sinasabi, let go of fear now eh. No? Kasi nakatago ka pa, no? Natatakot ka na may masabi sa'yo, na magkamali ka, no? Kailangan mong handa ka sa posibilidad. No? This is something magician with the power of God. No? Maaaring ibalik. There's a revert there. So it means, guys, no? Ano man yung mga bagay na gagawin sa'yo, huwag kang mag-alala. Now, there's something bounce back. Babalik sa kanila yan. Now, there's something empress card, something revert. And na magician represent with the power of God with manifestation. No? Kumbaga lahat ng mga bagay nito ay ayon sa kaloob ng Diyos. No? Kaya yan sinubok ka dyan. Kaya dahil susubukan talaga ang katatagan at paniniwala mo. No? At the same time, something so with the snakiness. No? Kasi yung mga taong pinagkakatawalan mo, yung pala yung mismong kalaban mo. No? Yung mga taong kala mo kakampi mo, yun pala mismong tatraidor sa'yo at mismong tutulak sa'yo pababa ng impyerno. So, let's see what is the additional messages. And there's an 8 of Wands with a fast communication and fast movement. No, bibilis ang takbo ng sitwasyon. Magkakaroon ng changes and development sa situation mo. Some of you makakatanggap ka ng phone call, messages, and email. Not development sa situation mo, there's a 7 of Wands that you are being protected. Or either kailangan mo protection at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo. No, laban sa taong kumbaga akala mo totoo sa'yo. No, at the same time, there's something, the 3 of Wands, the waiting is over. No, kung may hinihintay ka, papers, documents, maaring makuha mo na, maaring mahawakan mo na. And there's an 8 of Pentacles, mag-focus ka lang sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo, sa ginagawa mo. Now, mag-concentrate ka at the same time. What is additional messages for the outcome? So, there's something, the 9 of Pentacles, you have a potential for abundance, no? Kaya mong maging maayos ang buhay mo, magkaroon ka na kasaganahan, no? Kaya mo yan. And there's a 6 of Cups, no? Alam mo, isa sa pinaka-traidor dito, it's either, kumbaga, family-related, no? Or either a toxic family. It's either your friend, your family-related, no? Maaaring kamag-anak mo or kamag-anak na asawa mo, na maaaring tumatraidor sa'yo, no? Kailangan mo linisin nyo na sa paligid mo. No, there's something, guys, with a 2 of Pentacles with a balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance sa physical, mental, and emotional. And there's a 5 of Wands in reverse, something, no more complications, no? You are also protected. So, kailangan mo pangawakan at pangalagaan na lang yung sarili mo. No, dahil tinanggalan yung mga bagay na nagbibigay komplikasyon sa'yo. And there's a 3 of Cups for celebration coming in. No, may mga celebration magaganap dito. And there's an Emperor, maging mature ka, maging grounded ka sa sarili mo. Sa lahat ng gagawin mo, pangalagaan, protectionan mo, ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka, no? So guys, let's see what is additional messages tayo pagdating sa finances and career, love life, at kalusugan mo. So let's watch this. Okay, let's see what is additional messages for finances and career. So there's something, guys, with an 8 of Cups. So something, the 7 of Cups, something a confusion, no? Or either there's a lot of opportunities coming in. Na pagdating sa finances, maaaring marami ka pagpipilian dito. No, there's a 6 of Swords with a transition. Unti-unti ka rin dyan makakalaya sa hindi maganda sitwasyon. No, there's a lot of Swords, nagkakaroon anxiety, sleepless nights. No, there is a worries. No, hindi mo alam kung ano pipiliin mo eh. No, hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo eh. And there's a 4 of Wands by celebrations. No, dito papasok ang mga bagong celebration, kaganapan sa buhay mo. And there's a strength with a confidence. Basta lakas ang loob mo, maging matapang ka. No, and this is something that's an Pentacles with a long-term success, long-term investment, financial security. Na pagdating naman tayo sa love life, so represent with the 5 of Swords reverse, something, guys, na magkakaroon ng patas na laban at maayos sa kalagayan pagdating sa relasyon. At there's a 9 of Cups with a wish fulfillment, na matutupad yung mga pangarap mo talaga. Now, there's something, an ultimate happiness and the Tower moment for a major changes. No, pagdating sa relasyon, maaaring may masira, may mawala, maaaring may mga bagay na maglaho na. No? And there's a Page of Swords being curiosity. Kailangan kilalanin mo muna. Kung papasok ka sa isang relasyon, kailangan kilalanin mo muna ng lubos. No, there's a Queen of Pentacles, pangalagaan, protectionan mo ang pinaghirapan mo. Mag-mature ka na how to handle your money. And the 3 of Swords, something paid. No, dahil at the end of the time, baka masaktan ka, mabigo ka. No, let's see what is additional messages pagdating sa kalusugan. There is something, guys, with the 6 of Pentacles. Now, there's something giving, receiving something by the universe. Magtutuloy-tuloy na rin about sa kalusugan mo, magiging maayos na. Ang iyong kalagayan, protectionan mo ang mga kinakain mo. Maging maingat ka sa kinakain mo. And there's a need of sort something breakthrough, magtatagumpay ka dito. Alisin mo yung mga bagay na makakasugat at makakasira at makakapanakit sa'yo. At the same time, there's a star card, healing and recovery. No, magkakaroon talaga ng healing at recovery dito, guys. At the same time, there's an 8 of swords, no? That there's a lot of toxic negativities around you. No, kailangan mo mag-decision dito na i-cut mo na yan. No, dahil nai-stress ka dyan sa situation mo dahil sa mga taong nasa paligid mo. No? Isa sa nagbibigay ng problema sa kalusugan mo ay pag-iisip, no? Dahil sa mga taong nasa paligid mo na toxic. No, let's see what is additional messages tayo with the magical fairy messages, advices, and of course, pick a card, yes or no. So let's watch this. Okay, guys, now let's proceed with the magical fairy messages before anything else, guys, no? No, bago tayo mag-proceed dyan, ang pick a card, yes or no, papaliwanag ko muna sa inyo. Pwede ka magtanong with a pick a card, yes or no. Dahil kasi isa lang magiging sagot dyan, 1, 2, or 3. So, pwede ka magtanong sa isip mo. Dahil ko sasagutin to with a yes or no later. No, 1, 2, or 3. Pwede ka na mag-isip ng tanong, guys. No? So, let's see what is the magical fairy messages represent what. So, there's something in the autumn with the harvest moment. No, ani ka na lahat ng mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo. No, lahat ng mga bagay na pinagpaguran mo, makakamtan mo yan. There's something that paid off. No, lahat ng mga bibigat, lahat ng mga pasakit, pasanin, kailangan mo na pakawalan. No, and there's something that there's a dietary change. No, kailangan mo mag-diet dito, no? Dahil ko sa umiwas ka sa mga bagay na makakasira ng iyong kalusugan. No, pangalaga at pag-ingatan mo ito. Let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card represent what. For yin and yang oracle card represent and it's something, guys, with an attraction that you are being attracted to anyone. No, malakas ang karisma, malakas ang charm mo. And there's a reflections. No, lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo magre-reflect sa'yo. And there's a masculine energy. No, mataas ang masculine energy mo dito, guys, no? So let's see what is additional messages. Or either your person is very masculine, or either you are a masculine. Let's see what is the synchronicities represent what. Represent with the delays. No? Some of you guys nakakaranas ka ng mga delays, cancellations, and there's a persistence. So, kailangan tuloy-tuloy ka lang sa ginagawa mo. Hindi pwede may pag-alilangan, no? Kailangan na alam mo sa sarili mo yung ginagawa mo. No? Hindi pwede pabago-bago yung emosyon mo. No? Kailangan passionate ka sa ginagawa mo. And this is something a root. No? May mga ugat ng eksena dito na pinanggagalingan ng lahat. No, with our romance, thank you for a Mystic Love Oracle deck. Referencing with a third party. So, some of you may third party talaga dito. And this is something unexpected. All of the sudden, so may mga bagay dito na bigla ang pagbabago, magaganap. No, may mga, there's a regret and mistakes, no? May mga pagkakamali ka na ngayon nagkakaroon ka na realizations. At the same time, there's something between the lines. No? Look what hidden. So, dapat mong alamin yung mga bagay na nakatago sa likod dito. So, let's see what is an angel's number represent what. For an angel's number represent what? And there's a 1440 with the light up. Now focus on your need, desires, and hobbies. Everything is more accessible with a light attitude. You will be blessed with new opportunities and new friends, or an additional to your family, good vibes, and will speed up from the process. No? Bibigyan ka na mas maliwanag at mas maayos na sitwasyon. No? So let's see what is the Money Move Oracle deck. Represent, guys, with authority. No? Be self-confident, and of course, you have the power to choose. No? Take on the role of the leader, and everyone will respect you. No? Kailangan lakasan loob. No? Hindi pwede may pag-alilangan ka sa ginagawa mo. So, let's see what is the path of the light represent what. A path of the light represent what? Represent with the protection. So see, it's all about protection. I am divinely protected, and surrounds me with a light and love. At all times, I trust in the protection of the universe, knowing that I am safe, secure, and guided. No harm can come to me, for I walk into the light of the divine protections. Alam mo na ginagabayan ka ng ating mga angels for them. And what lies beneath with the hidden future? Ano yung mga bagay na nakatago sa ginaharap mo? And there's a tantric sex. So some of you guys, no, may religious dito. No, there's a total drama and action. So kailangan mo dito, guys, no, ng kumilos. no? Umiwas ka na sa mga drama sa buhay, no? Umiwas ka na sa mga taong kumbaga, feeling victim, no? Nang gagaslight. And there's a shadow work represent what? The shadow work represent what? No, represent guys with the face inner demons. Transform, integrate. No, don't be afraid of the darkness. There's a light nearby. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo harapin, no? Yung mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo. No, huwag ka matakot sa dilim, no? Bagkos magsilbing lakas ng loob yan, no? Or kailangan mo harapin yan para makita mo totoong liwanag sa likod niyan, no? And this is something clarifying for a love situation. For a clarifying for a love situation, represent what? Represent with a tender attentions, with care and concern, approach gently, nurturing with the soft-kinded gestures, no? Ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo mag-ingat, no? Kailangan mong maging makinahon sa bawat gagawin mo. Let's see what is a clarifying for a life situation. With clarifying for a life situation, represent what? Represent guys with labyrinth of choices. Chart of your course through perplexing labyrinth of choices, embracing each turn as a part of your complex journey, no? Alam mo sa sarili mo, no? Sa bawat eksena na to, no, marami ka pagdadaanan, no, marami ka mararanasan, kailangan handa ka. Not kailangan handa ka sa pipiliin mo, handa ka sa gagawin mo. No, so let's see what is a yes or no. Pick a card. Let's proceed. So let's watch this. Let's see, a yes or no questions, guys. Ito na yun, no? So, let's start na tayo with the number 1. Kasi yung mga nakapili na number 1, ito na yun. With the yes or no, pick a card. Let's start with the number 1. And there's something a yes. It's the icing of the cake. All this is a sprinkle too. Na ibig sabihin dito, no, mas magiging mas makulit, mas magiging tamis ng tagumpay, at mas magiging maganda na sitwasyon mo. And there's a number 2. There's something guys with a yes. Hot opportunities fire out, burning desires will fill. Ibig sabihin, naglalagablab na oportunidad na papasok sa buhay mo. At magdadala sa ito ng katuparan sa kahilingan at kagustuhan mo at pangarap mo. Number 3. There's something a yes again. Wow, it's all yes. Uplift your spirit, easy to do light work. No? Ibig sabihin dito, mas gagaang na ang iyong ginagawa kung may lakas ng loob at tapang ka at gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. No? At kailangan masaya ka sa ginagawa mo para magtagumpay ka. So guys, this is Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Aquarius. Aquarius, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang din at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasa Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawa pagsuporte sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi skip ng adsaway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat po in si Direct Video. Bye-bye and babush.